So, hey guys, I'm comparing this Kobishi strobe versus this strobe. This one here, is a blue one. That one's a red one, and I am not going to test this one. I might of. No, I'm not going to, and I'm maybe going to test this one. I want to see if it works though. It does not work. Just some sounds. Guys, I think the strobe in this has failed. This does not work as I tried it. It does not turn on. It makes weird noises, actually. It's not a tone sounder, it's a strobe. Kobishi, right here, Kobishi, strobe, right? SL1! I know it works, this thing. Actually, I tested this thing, and it works. Yeah, see you next video, and bye-bye!